Edo Governor Obaseki don't talk say in happy well as in they prepare to come up for office, say the administration don't make bold changes and bring plenty projects where go change the state for better, especially for areas like education, healthcare, economy, infrastructure and job creation. Say all these efforts don't help improve the life of Edo people and don't set the state on top better path for growth and prosperity. Obaseki talked this one on Tuesday, November 5, 2024, during the commissioning of some projects for the state. Some Obuge persons will follow and commission the project now. Enugu State Governor Dr. Peter Umba and the former Governor of Sokoto State, Senator Aminu Tabuwa, among other important people. Some of the projects with the commission include Benin Technical College, where get over 12 kilometers of internal roads inside the school, and Edo State Education Hub, where get plenty educational bodies like Ministry of Education, Directorate of Educational Quality and Accountability, State Examination Board, Edo Subeb, Library Board, and Board of Technical and Vocational Education and Training. While in the commission Benin Technical College, Governor Obaseki can talk say the administration don't bring back hope to people for Edo State and don't bring the economy back on track and don't also empower the youth for better future. Oga Obaseki can talk say when he first enter office, he go visit the Benin Technical College and he see say the school needs serious work to help achieve the goal of creating 200,000 jobs. Say wetin he see there almost make him cry. That na why he promise say he go make sure say they fix the school and put them back in good condition. Say now as in they prepare to leave office, in they proud say he see say the school don't dey better as he go give hope to thousands of young people. And that na one of his greatest joy and a gift from God. Say in come, in see and in try his best to fix them.
The whole reforms we have undertaken in education in Edo has been centered around teachers. Edo best succeeded because the focus was on the teachers. If the teacher is not in class, will the child learn? So the teacher must be there. And if you train the teacher, and the child knows what to teach, will the child not learn? So the teacher is at the core of any education reform. Not so much the infrastructure. So that's why we had to first rebuild the system by retraining the teachers, giving them technology, and changing the whole pedagogy for training and teaching. That's what we did. Before today, we're now saying we will now finalize the infrastructure for education system. So when I resumed office on November 12th in 2016, it was a Saturday, I believe. On Monday morning, I woke up and I went to Edo State Secretariat, Palm House to be specific, to see the conditions of how the civil service. It was depressing. The next day, I headed for this school to come and see things for myself. Because if I was going to create 200,000 jobs and more, then where are the institutions that I'll train these people in so that they can get this work? This was one of them. And what I saw when I came here, I almost wept. I said, I cannot understand. Because if this is school, if this was the kind of school that we had when I was going to school, I wouldn't have gone to school. I would have chosen the option of those children who are trying to travel. So I made a commitment that day that restoring this school, renovating it, will be my first priority. I'm so glad that a week to my exit in office, I can come here and see a rebuilt technical college. That is now given hope to hundreds, if not thousands, of young boys and girls.
For the same event, Enugu State Governor Dr. Peter Umba praised Governor Obaseki for in good leadership, say Obaseki na true transformer. He come also talk say the education reforms where Obaseki bring don't make big difference for how Edo people to learn, as in called the new project a proof of Obaseki's strong commitment to education.
You have, in the last 8 years, been planting. It is our hope that the young people of Edo State And indeed, the young people that we have witnessed here today would reap from the bounteous harvest of your selfless toil. It is also our hope that when the history of these states, Nigeria, is rendered, that posterity will not only be kind to you, but it would also preserve a noble seat for you, for the great work you've done in the state.
As one of Nigeria's key partners, Germany is proud of our long-standing and fruitful collaboration. This year, we celebrate 50 years of German-Nigerian cooperation, a milestone that underscores this enduring strength of our partnership. This morning, I had the privilege and the honor to have a brief chat and exchange with the executive governor, and we agreed that it is about capacity, it is about a long-standing commitment, and it is about a long cooperation on the ground that success is built.
For the commissioning of the Edo State Education Hub, Governor Obaseki called the building one big symbol of all the success wey in government don't get for education sector. He come also give honor to late Chief Tayo Akpata, wey be education pioneer and former commissioner for education for Old Midwest State, by naming the education hub after him. Senator Aminu Tambuwa, wey also tanda for the commissioning ceremony, come also throw salute to Oga Obaseki for his work over the last 8 years, as he call Obaseki a visionary leader wey set new standard. He talk say the Edo Education Hub na special project wey don set new level for education inside Naija. Oga Tambuwa come also talk say the next governor need to continue with Obaseki's good work, say governance na to serve the people, not be about politics.
For this initiative of Education Hub is yet another first, and I have not seen it anywhere in Nigeria. I commend you, and I urge the people that are coming after you to continue with their good work. It's not about politics, it's about governance, it's about the people of Edo State, and it's about the people of Nigeria.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.